So home workout, part 2. We're gonna talk about push-ups and leg extensions and missed opportunities. When you're at home, don't miss an opportunity to get your reps in. Like I said, you can do sets and reps, but if you're at home, I like to do a total amount for the whole day. So 100 reps, 200 reps, 300, there's a goal, right? You walk past a couch, a dresser, a table, that's push-ups. That's push-ups. Now, however far you can go down, that's 1 rep. I'm counting that as 1 rep. But remember, since you know the final destination is here, you work every day to get lower and lower and lower. Even test your strength. Hold it. If you're one of those people that can't go all the way down, come here and hold it. Every day, test your strength, right? Test your strength. If you're sitting down, don't miss an opportunity, right? Leg extensions, right? You can hold them 10 seconds, 20 seconds, 30 seconds, whatever. Play around with it. It's all about stimulation. That's what it doesn't have to be that complicated. You get 200 reps of those, 200 reps of push-ups a day. That's something. It's better than nothing. And you're at home if you can't make it to the gym, you know? Don't miss the opportunity to get your reps in. For more home tips, holla at your boy.